Let me show you all of the screen off gestures available on OnePlus 13. So first of all, we need to open our settings, then scroll down looking for accessibility and convenience. Now inside we'll be able to find gestures and motions, and then there's the screen off gestures. And I will read all of the options and then demonstrate you each one of them. First one is double tap to turn on and off screen, draw O to open camera, draw V to turn on or off your flashlight. There's also music control and custom gestures right here. So you need to draw a specific gesture shown with the symbol, and then when it's activated, it will perform a action that you can assign right here, like opening a app. In this case, we're gonna go with Chrome. So now let's move to my lock screen and show you all of that options. So we have double tap to wake up screen, double tap to lock it down, O to open camera, V to turn on or off a flashlight. It's a bit tricky to actually do it, so don't worry, give it a few tries. And the next one is music control. So to play skip a song, you need to draw arrow to the right. To play previous song, draw arrow to the left. To play or pause music, draw a pause button. And the last thing was the custom gesture. So as I said, you just need to draw a motion there. You probably get it. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.